Welcome back to our last video in our series about nuts. This video is going to focus on various different types of nuts and their unique nutrients. Nuts have many beneficial nutrients. Some that are common among all nuts include unsaturated fats, which we just discussed in our last video. They help lower LDL or bad cholesterol. Next is fiber, which is a type of carbohydrate that aids in digestion and contributes to satiety. And lastly, plant protein, which also increases satiety, as well as helps build and maintain muscle and aids in tissue repair. First, we are going to discuss almonds, which are a type of tree nut that is native to the Mediterranean region. A 1-ounce serving of almonds provides 50% of the daily recommended intake of vitamin E for adults. Here we are going to discuss the various roles of vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant, meaning that it helps protect cells from the damaging effects of free radicals caused by the following different situations: pollution, UV rays from the sun, cigarette smoke, as well as other environmental factors. Vitamin E also plays a role in skin health by supporting the skin barrier function and providing protection against UV damage. Lastly, it supports the immune system by enhancing the body's defense against bacteria and viruses. Next, we are going to discuss walnuts, which is another type of tree nut that are rich in antioxidants. A 1-ounce serving of walnuts provides more than 100% of the daily recommended intake of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which is a type of omega-3. Now we are going to discuss the roles of omega-3s. Omega-3s are essential fatty acids, meaning that your body cannot produce it on its own and it must be obtained from the diet. Omega-3s also play a role in reducing inflammation in the body. They act as anti-inflammatory agents, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Lastly, they also aid in lowering triglyceride levels. High levels of triglycerides can increase the risk of heart disease and stroke. Brazil nuts are another type of tree nut that is the large seed of giant trees grown in the Amazon jungle. One Brazil nut actually provides greater than 100% of the daily recommended intake of selenium for adults. Now we're going to discuss the roles and benefits of selenium in the body. Selenium plays a major role in thyroid health. It converts the inactive thyroid hormone into the active form, therefore regulating metabolism. Selenium also aids in DNA protection and repair. It acts as an antioxidant to protect DNA against reactive oxygen species. Selenium also plays a role in brain health. It helps reduce cognitive decline and oxidative stress in the brain. The last nut that we're going to discuss today is pistachios. This is another type of tree nut that is known for their green kernels and distinctive split shell. A 1-ounce serving of pistachios provides 12% of the daily recommended intake of fiber for adults. And this amount is similar to the amount of fiber that are found in some of the vegetables that we eat. Now we're going to discuss the roles of fiber in the body. So fiber is very important for digestive regulation. Insoluble fiber, which is the type of fiber that passes through the GI system intact and speeds up the passage of food. Next, fiber is important for blood sugar and cholesterol support. Soluble fiber, the other type of fiber, forms a gel that slows digestion and nutrient absorption, which helps lower blood glucose and cholesterol levels. Lastly, fiber supports the gut microbiome. Fiber functions as food for the beneficial bacteria in the gut. Thank you again for joining me today for our series on nuts. Please scan the QR code to visit our website and get involved with the Blue Zones Project Scottsdale.